Hindi mo kami sasampulan ng lumpia rapper mo. Ng rap. Gusto niyo bang marinig siyang mag-rap? Oo. Kahit mga 5 minutes lang. Kaya mo.
Isang buong kanta yun.
Rap Kid from Manila.
Ano po, ito pong kakantahin ko pong rap ngayon. Ito po yung kinanta ko po, yung Blind Auditions.
Oh yeah.
Yung The Monster po.
Bring it down, yo.
Coming crazy, but I had this vision. One day I'd walk along as a regular lost and building. But until that no one's killed, I'm coming straight back, empty plug and spinner. Take it back to the days that I get on the train track. Give every kid who played that. Pump a villain and should have said that. Give every kid to play. I ain't insane all the children, but if one kid.
Yes!
Who was the true hard to build and it relates that great stay back, Buster Wilson all the way back in the draft, turn nothing into something, still can make that. Charles in the gold, John Paul Will Smith, Humble still skin in a haystack. Maybe I need a straight jacket, face facts, I am nuts for real, but I'm okay with that. There's nothing, I'm still friends with the monster. Thank you.
Yes! Woo!
Palimos-mot. Alright, Rap Kid from Manila, ang galing mo, baby. Ayan, why don't you invite your fans, your new fans, at syempre yung mga nandito to grab your album para magkasama ka mamaya sa meet and greet. Oh, go Rebels!
Okay. Ito po yung CD po namin. Ito po yung kami po top line dito. Andito na po kami lahat. Yung mga kanta po namin. For only 350 pesos lang po. Bumili na po kayo kasi po ito ay worth it talaga. Okay? Nabibili na po ito ngayon sa Astro Plus and Astrovision po. Dito po siguro meron, di ba?
Opo, sa entrance. Ayan,
Opo, doon po. Pwede nyo na po siyang mabili ako ng 350 pesos.
At dito lang sila bibili. Dahil yung mga dito lang po bumili, kayo lang po ang entitled to it.
Tsaka salamat po sa magpunta dito, mag-support at pag nanood po dito sa amin.
Ayun po, may fans ka o may poster ka ba?
No.
Chase.
Si Kuya Rico.
Yeah, mga JC Tandems. Okay.
JC Tandems po.
Ano?
JC Tandems.
JC?
Tandems.
Tandems. Okay, sige. Lupit. Maraming salamat, JC.
Thank you po.
Ang Rap Kid from Manila. Okay. Nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo dahil